be showing you about my island and Jeffrey's Waterfall. So Jeffrey's Waterfall is over here. See that? It goes over here, down here. And we found a shovel here before. I think the waterfall made it. Come over here. Like
You eating s'mores?
There's like a little hole over there. And then
This goes all the way over here.
And then
Let me go see the other side of the waterfall.
go and see the other side of the waterfall. Here it is. Look how cool it is on the other side. We're going to be showing you about my island too. So wait for the time. This is Marleigh's
All right.
Island. Now here's my island. Save it! Now, Jeffrey's digging up a hole with his shoes right now. And you can find a bunch of big rocks. That's what my brother likes to do. And throw them in. I don't like getting wet, so that's why Jeffrey's waterfall is called Waterfall. Because he likes getting wet. And I don't. Kind of strange.
How's that s'more?
Good.
All right.
Got in the water.
It's a beautiful day at the creek, isn't it?
Yep. And throw the sand in the water.
All right. Tell them have a good day.
Our day's done for today. Bye.